Hey, it's Eric RPG, and last where we left off, we defeated the gear steamer, and we got through the munitions factory in Germany, and now we are at the Versailles Palace. Well, apparently, but everything in this game has been overrun by evil. I mean, we're all the people. Did the French run away? Are they cowards? I don't know, but here we go. I didn't mean to pick that up, but oh well. There'll be more. Aha! See. See, they screw up your movement for a while. Just gotta wait it out. I was kind of disappointed that it takes a lot longer to defeat those things. Well, I guess I could jump up here. If I wanted to get hurt a lot. So let's start the level over again. Oh, I picked it up again, out of habit. I took damage there. It sucks. Yeah, you're better off taking the hit here, I think. It doesn't hurt you. You just gotta adjust your control scheme. I keep pressing forward when I didn't mean to. Oh yeah, watch out for those things. Blood! See, they have blood here. Why can't they have heads being cut off of harpies? Now, I could get that, but nah. I'm gonna die here. Jeez. I just need to get to the next screen and I'll be okay. I don't care if I lose life. Yeah, if you just hang back a little. There you go. Freedom! Hey, getting through the next room is gonna be hell. We got an army full of Actually, that might be helpful here. Wow, that guy went down faster than when I fight with John. Maybe it's because he doesn't have to. When John kneels, his attacks seem to get a lot slower. The card, on the other hand, I need the health boost. I'll just start off from here. But yeah, watch out for the falling chandeliers. Aha! Oh, you cunt bags. I don't know. There you go. Smash! This next one's a butt munch to deal with. Alright. Yeah, I hate this guy. Mainly because that guy respawns for whatever reason. And he can totally screw you around and ruin your day. And that was bad. You're better off just taking a hit and running. Alright, this one can be nasty as well. Darn you! There we go. Spearing everything. I'm at the next checkpoint. Yay. And since we can't just go straight, see, we can't progress here. The enemies respawn though, and so do the hearts, or the jewels. But yeah, the best way to deal with this part of the area is to, yeah, let yourself get killed. Sure, I need the health. I forget exactly how you should best approach this level. If I had the axe, it'd be a lot easier. That's how you're supposed to deal with it. I'm hanging barely off the edge. This part could be annoying. You have to deal with more of those armored guys, I think. No, just more harpies. But they only take a single hit this time. And they drop crabs instead of hunchbacks. What the hell? Run! Oh yeah, that's why you kind of don't want to die there. Oh boy. Mini bosses galore. I kinda needed health anyways, and there's 2 more mini bosses. Talking about a pansy of a boss. But yeah, that worked out a lot better. Gatlin Man. That's right. I forget there's a Gatlin guy here. Mini boss time. Again. And it's a mysterious pillar. Yeah, let's just exhaust it. There we go. See your John, that'd be a lot harder. I think I could defeat the boss in this condition. Axe? Nope. There we go. Come on, give me another coat of arms. Aww. Seriously? I took a hit from that? That stuff actually hurts you. Let's try that again. With more axe throwing this time. Haha, dive bomb. I anticipated your attack. Don't tell me I'm going to have to start over with a better weapon. There's got to be an easier, better way. This boss is a little bit more difficult. I'm starting off from here. Oh, I completely forgot about the ability to jump. Well, I kind of liked my attack before. It's slow but effective. At least it's working. There we go. Stage 5 cleared. Yay. Stage 6, the final level. Castle Proserpina, England. That could be a typo, but I don't know. Someone educate me. But yeah, now would be a good time to save my state again. Just want to avoid those things. Sometimes you can destroy them, don't try. Jump off the bridge. Well, I'll probably get hit soon enough. I don't even care about maintaining the awesome music. I'd rather have this thing. But yeah. When you're here, you wanna... Oh, I could've grabbed that extra life. Oh well. Speaking of which, I'm doing a marathon next weekend. There we go. Just watch your feet. Just pay attention to your feet. Unlike me. I missed it again because I screwed up. Ah, I fell for it again. Well, that was a close one. This part's kind of tricky. I'm probably just gonna power through it. Don't want that. It's too bad I can't destroy those. I usually end up taking about that much damage when I get there. Don't want that. I'm looking for the boomerang. Actually, the axe might actually help here. Gotta watch out for those guys. Oh yeah, they'll keep running in circles until you destroy them. Let's see, can I fight death with this thing? I wonder. We're at the boss gauntlet now. I wonder if I should go straight for health. That sounds like a prudent plan. But nah. Mini boss number 2. I'd rather not deal with him. Ah, I'm wasting my special items. Yeah, I don't want to fall off here. Probably the trickiest mini-boss in the game. Boss slash mini-boss. Alright. He's gonna shoot lasers at me. There you go. They slow down after a while. We're fighting the gear guy. You always want to be prepared, dude. I have lives, but I don't want to lose the advantage of this thing. Dead already. No challenge. I don't know. Maybe I'm just on fire today. Maybe I'm gonna get my revenge on Dracula for killing me so many times the last videos. Well, I probably want to get health before anything else. So we want to go for that card. Full health. Mini boss time. Save file. There we go. What? He's dead already? Haha. That's what I saved all my jewels for. I probably should have kept them for death, though. Now that I think about it. don't want to deal with this good. It's a lot harder to deal with. Onward to victory. Now it's time to take on Bartley. Do I really want to keep the axe? Well, it's kind of pointless now, but yeah, I'll do it. Ermagerd. Oh, I missed that one jump. I shouldn't be taking that many hits. I need that health for Dracula. Ah, yes, there we go. Darn it. Yeah. That's exactly why you don't want to. Alright, I forgot he could downward thrust. Let's see what it does. Yeah, you don't want to get in the way of that. See? Yep, I'm saving every step of the way. Kinda cheap, but have to. Pretty much the same way you fight him as John. Die already, why don't you? She's still taking hits. Dead. Do I have to wait for that? Jeez. Thank you, game. Don't want... Or at least I hope I don't want it. Alright, we're gonna save state here, then again in here, just in case. Now this guy had a weirdly unique way of fighting this guy, but I'm just gonna do that. Because I'm quick. Oh, let's try what he did. Too close. Huh. I wonder what the problem was. There we go. That's the problem with this. You gotta turn it around quickly, otherwise... Well, the spear's gotta reach. I don't need to get that close in front of him. Oh, this part's interesting. Yeah, I said he turns into a Grim Reaper form. It's more like a Wraith. Alright, that form's done. Sure, why not? This is how you're supposed to deal with him, normally. I forgot about this pattern. Alright, I think I've got him. I'm doing a lot better now than I ever was. He just ends up getting a lot bigger. Oh, come on. And he's dead. And it's only epic that we leap up into the air and collapse the last orb that clears the level. I'm kneeling. Wait. I'm gonna do it in midair. But oh yeah. Since I couldn't read off all the names in the special thanks in the last one, I'll get all the ones at the bottom first. So once again, Falling Castle. Thus, Eric has fulfilled his destiny as a vampire hunter. Now he must venture forth into the greater unknowns. Yeah, they cheese you out of this particular scene on normal or easy. In fact, if you beat on easy, I think it just goes straight to the credits. And he's just gonna leave the spear there. Well, I guess that way Alucard can get it. Probably not going to be talking much here. I like this game. It's a very fun game. I think it's better than Super Castlevania 4 or Kuma Joe Dracula if you're into the Japanese name, because technically it's not a sequel to Castlevania since it's a remake of Castlevania. One of several. But yeah, I will be doing Super Castlevania, maybe. Probably do that over Demon's Crest, because Demon's Crest, I can beat most of the game, but there's a final super boss of the game that's cheap as all hell. And you'll probably see me save stating a lot if I do that. Maybe next year for the next Ghoulish Games series. But, I don't know, I'm still undecided. I'll let you choose. You can leave it in the comments. Because there's several different endings to that game, and it just might be a pain in the butt to do all of them. Because I still don't have any real proper editing software. I might just cut to the endings. So you don't have to see me replay the game several times. Tokuma Shota in Intermedia, and H. Junyanchi, A. Shujuno, N. Nimi, and T. Yabe. See, I got the other half. I didn't do it correctly in order, but I did it. That's so Dracula. Congratulations, you are master of the vampire killer. Even though I was playing as Eric Lacard and I was using the spear of Alucard. Oh, anyways, see you guys later. Hope you enjoyed this video. Bye bye.